Mastering phrasal verbs. Read together. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of the phrasal verb, read together. Whether you're reading a bedtime story or studying for an exam, this phrase is commonly used and very useful. Let's dive in and explore how read together can enhance your English skills. When we break down the phrase, read together, we are combining the verb, read, which means to look at and comprehend the meaning of written or printed matter, with together, implying the involvement of two or more people. Therefore, read together simply means to read something at the same time with someone else. Reading together has significant benefits. It can be a bonding activity, improve language skills, and encourage learning. For young learners, it's a way to associate reading with enjoyment. For adults, it's an opportunity to share thoughts and gain different perspectives. Using read together is straightforward. You can say, "Let's read together tonight," or ask someone, "Would you like to read together?" Remember, it's all about the shared experience of reading. Let's look at read together in action. The family decided to read together every Sunday evening. We should read together to better understand the material. That's a wrap on read together. I hope this video has made you comfortable with this phrasal verb and inspired you to grab a book and find someone to share the experience with. Happy reading, and together, let's continue learning.